We have been so fortunate to receive the OETT grant to create a STEM lab in our school for our students. It has been so much fun to watch them grow in their creativity, problem solving, collaboration, and critical thinking skills through these different STEM technologies.
I really just enjoyed watching our students learn and grow with the immense amount of things that we were able to purchase with our OETT grant, and how they are creative and working collaboratively together, and just watching their imaginations go crazy. This year has been a lot of fun. And of course, we love our training team from K-20. They were awesome, and we appreciate you guys so much. Danny and Allie, thanks a lot.
My favorite is the class VR because we can go to many historical places.
My favorite thing in the STEM lab is the class VR because you get to travel places where you might not be able to travel in real life. My favorite thing from the STEM lab are the panda robots because when you turn them on, they make really cool emotions and they are really fun to code.
My favorite thing from the STEM lab is learning how to code using the pandas and Indy cars.
My favorite is the Indie Bots because they teach me how to problem solve with coding.
My favorite part about the iPads was we used them for stop motion and we colored letters and we made it into like a big word.
My favorite part was the Ozo bots because we used in math class, we made a town out of 3D shapes and we coded the robots through it.
My favorite thing in STEM lab is the cublets because I like making cars and making them move like cars.
Can make it go super slow, or I could make it zoom. Also, we use our imagination like these to protect him from boulders and wings. And then when he wants to see outside, we can add that, and then we can put him back together where he's closed.
The concept of it is that it would go out up to Mars and drill minerals.
Okay.
It has a roll cage.
Uh-huh.
Also, if it goes too fast, it has this thing right back there, solar power.
Solar panels.
So it is solar powered.